10 Amazon Kitchen Finds. This is the easiest way to make your kitchen feel bigger. These removable handles can clip onto the included saucepan, large saucepan, sauté pan, frying pan, large frying pan, rail pan. And unlike normal cookware, that's impossible to stack these nests perfectly into each other. And forget about using food containers for leftovers, because it can become a food container when you take the handle. This is a digital thermal thermometer, so you can take the temp of your meats to know when they're ready. This is not just a handheld blender. I mean, sure, this part does blend things, and it's designed in a way to prevent splashing. And it comes off so you can stick it in the dishwasher after you make Cheryl mayo, or blend some chunky soup. But the best part is it comes with other attachments like this whisk for whipping and stirring, this mini food processor that minces veggies into salsa. This is a rotating kitchen utensil set, and each piece has a built-in lid so the head doesn't touch the counter. This is one of the highest rated portable electric silicon mats with edge-to-edge heating and 3 heat levels that go up to 212 degrees, which make it great for thawing food or keeping your food hot and ready to serve with no need to worry about messes or storage because it's splash-proof. It folds up to put away. This is a cow container so you can neatly store 24 premium cheese slices for easy access and don't have to worry about them getting squished or lost in the fridge. This awesome carburetor cleaner that turns into a satisfying foam to clean, deodorize, and knocks out the odor-causing buildup from the disposer and drain pipe. This organizer attaches to your fridge shelf with no tools or adhesive, neatly storing 18 eggs and saving valuable space. It glides in and out effortlessly, so you can easily access your eggs whenever you need them. This is the perfect spice organizer. It has a drawer with 2 tabs, so you can easily mount it onto an existing shelf. It gives you access to the spices you use most often, and when you're done, it folds up neatly out of the way. Plus, you can remove it whenever you need. This Food Huggers is a game changer for your kitchen. Stretchy silicone sleeves fit various fruits and veggies, keeping them fresh and reducing waste. They're dishwasher safe and reusable, making them an eco-friendly choice for any home.